this is the ultimate weekend recipe. I'm going to show you how to use our fat burner to make a really delicious pineapple mocktail. So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 scoop of the Happy Way pineapple fat burner. You're going to need 1/4 of a lime, just the juice. I've got a few ice cubes here, about 1/2 cup of coconut water, and about 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. Now to make your mocktail, you need to pop it into your little cocktail shaker here, shake it all up, and then pour it into your favorite glass. So this mocktail is going to give you the perfect little buzz. It's going to give you quite a little energy boost because we are using the Happy Way fat burner, which does contain stimulating ingredients. So I hope you enjoy this one.